Do you live in constant fear of slipping on treacherous winter ice and damaging your dignity and self-esteem? Watch this video as I show you how Kahtoola NANOspikes will save your ass. Next on the HogTide Rising channel. Well, it's a lovely day for a walk here in Cowichan Bay. And so I think I'll take a walk down to the estuary and check out the nature site there and some of the viewing points. It's going to be a nice walk. It's a little icy in the parking lot. It's probably icy on the walkway, but I found my Kahtoola NANOspikes, and they're great little spikes that I can put on my running shoes on both lengths, even my prosthetic, and give myself some pretty good traction. Yeah, let me tell you, these Kahtoola NANOspikes are the cat's meow. They're just great. They easily slip onto your running shoes and give you great traction in ice. So let's give them a test drive right now. Go for a walk. Well, that's pretty much it for my winter hike. A nice winter hike over snowy, icy trails, but made very, very easy with my Kahtoola NANOspikes. And I will put links to the Kahtoola NANOspikes in the bottom, and you'll be able to contact them. Maybe talk to my friend Danny, who owns the company, and tell him that you saw me on YouTube and you think that buying his spikes would be a good idea. Because just think of it. They kept a one-legged guy like me from falling on his ass on all that ice. So just imagine what they might do for someone like you with two perfectly good legs. Well, that's it for here at the Cowichan Bay Estuary. Next, I'm going to hop back into my van and drive out of town and show you what the main street of Cowichan Bay looks like. If you enjoyed this video and if you got anything out of it, I would sure appreciate a nice like and a thumbs up. I'd like to see you share it with your friends. And by all means, if you want to see more content like this on the HogTide Rising channel, well, how about hitting the subscribe button below? And while you're at it, leave me a comment. But until the next time, this is Jim Powers on the HogTide Rising channel saying so long, safe travels, and we'll see you for my next video.